Oh wait. No. What's up, K Squad? So before we even start this video, one of our subscribers had DM'd us on Instagram. They hit Keon up and they hit me up asking if we could talk to them on their birthday, and I was like, yeah, why not? So she hit us up. She was like, hi, you guys are absolutely my favorite YouTubers. My birthday's coming up and I was wondering if I could get on FT FaceTime with the both of you for a gift. And I said, yes, of course. When's your birthday? She said, OMG, September 26th, which is a Tuesday. Today is the 24th. So I told her we're able to FaceTime her a couple days before her birthday because Tuesday, me and Keon would not be together, so she wouldn't be able to FaceTime both of us. So we're gonna call her now. Her name is Mooney, and this is her Instagram right here. You guys follow her, shout out to her. So Mooney, we are about to FaceTime you right now. Why not do it in the video?
Why not, huh?
All right, FaceTime me.
Shut up, Negro.
Why she hate
She
that?
hung up.
What the heck?
Hi.
So sorry. Not your call. You are so pretty. Oh my god.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right now we're filming a video, so this call is going to be in the video. We're filming a challenge right now. So say hi to K Squad.
Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
We need you to say hi. Say it again.
Yes.
Yeah, we're filming a video.
Oh my god.
You see the camera?
I'm faking. Yes, dang. I'm about to be in the video. I'm popping.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy early birthday.
So much. I love you guys so much. You just don't understand.
Oh, we love you too. She's too cute.
Oh my god, y'all is like, y'all go back up. Keep on doing
For sure, for sure.
Keon, get away from me.
They got the same images.
Yeah, real.
Oh my god.
It's Kiana. It's
He's annoying.
Team Kiana. You talking about some? No, Team Kiana. Period.
Team Kiana.
Team Kiana.
Team Kiana.
Team Kiana.
Team Kiana.
Sorry.
All day.
Team Kiana all day. You gonna help me buy?
Thank you for supporting us.
How old are you turning?
I'm 18.
Oh, what? Finna be legal, girl.
Oh my god.
Did you get a screenshot yet?
Yes,
She said
It's
team.
screenshot.
Hope you have a really good birthday, okay?
And we love you, okay?
Oh, I will. This is, oh my god.
So the name of this video is called the Break Free Challenge. So when you see that's posted, just know you're in that video in the beginning of the video, okay?
Okay.
We love you and thank you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Ew.
We had to give her birthday wishes. Why not?
You know, why not? We can't do it in person, so
Even
why not do it over the phone?
Let's get into this challenge. As you can tell by the title, we are doing the Break Free Challenge.
This game was sent to us by YULU Toys. They seen that we did the wet head challenge and also the pie face challenge, and they are the company that created those games. And they created this new game, which is called Break Free. It's new, so you guys click the link in our bio and purchase this game if you want to play it. Why not? It's fun, just like wet head and pie face. They have a bunch of other games, so he sent us this game to play for you guys. Those other videos we did was not sponsored. This video isn't sponsored either, but they just sent this game out of kindness.
So with that being said, are you ready to play this new fun, exciting, oh my god, game?
Yes, I am ready.
Ooh.
Like Freddy.
Let me see your Millie. Let me see your Millie. Ooh, ooh, let go. First and foremost, guys, this game is a 2 to 4 player game, okay?
And we have no friends, so we're just gonna play.
Yeah, we're lonely, but it's okay, I got Bae. So basically, the point of this game, right? You have, whatever you want to call it, a wrist lock
It's a handcuff.
Yeah, that's, I couldn't think of it, my bad.
Oh, wrist lock.
A handcuff. This game comes with 3 different difficulties. You got green, easy. You got yellow, which is intermediate. Red, which is advanced. Comes with 3 different difficulties, and I was about to say 4. 12 different mazes, okay?
All those are mazes right there.
These right here are mazes, okay? The mazes have to go inside here, right? Whichever maze, they're all different. So you put the maze in there, close it up. You have to break free. This little item right here is your lockpick. The point of it is, when you put your lockpick in, you have to like basically turn it and, you know, twist and turn, try to get through the lockpick. I mean, through the maze. And once you get all the way through, obviously you'll turn it all the way and it'll open up.
So we are going to be blindfolded. I don't know if we should use the blindfolds or what, but we might. Whoever loses has to do a punishment. You lose the easy one, you have to drink a spoonful of mustard. If you lose the medium one, you have to drink a spoonful of Prego traditional sauce. That's disgusting. And if you lose the hard one, you have to drink a spoonful of sriracha.
We're just gonna start off
with the random one.
Yep.
Also, the green ones each have different.
Yeah, they're all different.
Oh, so we're probably gonna go twice with the green. We have 4 minutes. The medium one will be 3 minutes and the hard one will be 2 minutes. And starting now.
All right.
Wait. What the? Oh my god. I'll do the honors.
Go ahead. It's all good. That was the easy one.
Ugh. Why are you shaking?
Leave me alone.
Go.
Leave me alone. Dang.
Shaking like a stripper.
Okay.
Round 2 with the easy ones. Because they're all different mazes. So why not use all of them? Okay. Time starting. Wait. Now.
I'm a beast in this thing, bro. No lie though, when you going through these mazes, it's like, oh my god.
Yes.
Where to go?
My heart is pounding, especially because you blindfolded me.
Exactly, that's the thing. So it's like you really gotta use your mind and like just feel around and try to get through.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Then why you spit it out?
I don't know.
Well, for the first round, I won 1 and Wifey won 1. So
Team Kiana 1 point, Team Kiana 1 point.
But now, we go kick it up a notch, you know what I'm saying? We are now doing the medium.
In this one, I'm going to do 1 minute.
You get this game, you're gonna have fun. Especially if it's more people, I know it's gonna be fun.
Time starting now. What the fuck? Oh no, this is hard.
Oh snap.
Oh wait.
Where are we going?
Wait, what's going on?
Oh snap.
Oh wait. No.
Ah! Let's go.
Mine broke.
I'm about to be popping locks. Go get you a spoon. I'll let you do the honors this time. It's okay, babe. At least you're not Prego.
Shut up. Oh. Not bad.
Not that bad?
Mm-mm.
Kiana, we on top right now. You know what I'm saying?
I guess. Okay.
We on top right now.
Another yellow one. A different maze, but still level 2. Time starting now.
Did mine come on? Yeah, hold on. Oh yeah. Wait. Ah. Oh wait. I have something. Oh snap.
I'm stuck.
Oh.
Wait. I don't like this. Wait.
Oh no, this one hard.
Wait. What's going on?
Uh-oh.
No!
Ah.
Oh, okay, we get to 1. Victory is mine. Level 3, which is the hardest level. I'm not going to eat that again because it's not nasty and it doesn't make sense to eat it again. Timer starting now.
Oh snap, I'm stuck somewhere. Oh.
Wait, what is that?
Oh wait.
I'm stuck.
I think I'm somewhere. Hold on. I think I'm somewhere. Oh yeah, wait.
I'm stuck as fuck.
Oh snap.
Wait.
Oh yeah, this one hard. Hold on.
What the fuck? Wait.
I think I'm
My
somewhere.
thing came out.
Wait. Oh yeah, I'm somewhere. I'm somewhere. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh yeah.
No! Wait.
I'm a master at this game.
I have to drink tapio. No, sriracha.
More. Yep. There you go. You know, I'm about to feed it to you in a second. Move.
No!
Move your mouth. I mean your hand. Alright, it's gonna be all over your face. Open.
Ah, yeah.
Move. Open. Kiana, open. Move. See, it's not bad. It's not bad.
No!
Kiana, stop playing and eat it. See, you boo-boo.
I need some water. I need some water.
So as y'all can see, Kiana's being a poor sport, so I had to feed it to her. So now we are on our last maze, and of course this is a hard one.
Timer starting now.
Okay.
Oh wait, my thing came out. Okay, I just put it back in. I see it.
Oh, where am I going? Uh-oh. Oh wait.
Ah!
Wait, where the heck? There you go.
I did that.
Okay.
Babe, I'm not gonna play.
What? Ain't that a lot, y'all?
Look at that.
Okay, gosh.
Okay.
Turn it up. So, even though your boy won, I'm just gonna take this like a G, cause that's what I am. You feel me, babe? You gonna take it with me?
Bye. Take it like a G. His lips quivering. Why your lips shaking? If you like this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Check out the link in the description box if you want this fun game. Remember to follow me on Instagram and it's Poppy4_. Add me on Snapchat. I snap back and it's Poppy1. That's the number 1. And follow me on Twitter at it's PoppyK, and K is spelled K-A-Y.
And of course, y'all can follow your boy on IG at obey_myfashion and add me on the snap at obey_KingK, and follow me on Twitter at 2_obeykeezy.
And we'll see you guys soon.
Peace.
Peace. And happy birthday, Mooney.
Gang.
I need a girl who fly like she part of the wind. She's so heavenly and I was made to sin. I want a nice home, 4 cars and some twins. I met her at the Y because since we was kids, she always held me down, so niggas was yelling.